sure kung na-share ko na to sa inyo. I started to do journaling. So this was not really my thing. Hindi ko to na-try all my life. So this is the first time. And I like it. I'm doing it. All of you know, matagal na akong may diary, di ba? I started my diary, I think, 14, 15. Yan. So, it's been how many years, diba? So, na-realize ko lang yung difference ng diary at saka ng journaling. And, I don't know kung pareho tayo ng observation, but yeah, they have different function pala, no? My only reason na hindi ako nag-journal all this time, kasi akala ko pareho lang ng diary. Hindi pala. Ang pinaka reason na nag-start ako is for my children. Naisip ko lang na baka somehow maging guide nila yung pag-journal ko ngayon. Kaya yan, may dedication yan sa kanila. The reason kung bakit ako nag-journal, I like it. I like it, guys. I like it. And if you are guys wondering kung worth it ba ang pag-journal, well, it is. It is worth it. It's been my morning routine for quite some time now. Although it's my first time to reveal or share it to you. But yeah, this is what I do morning. I was soaked dito sa sun. And yeah, lalo na ngayon na some of the plants, flowers, yan, that's a rose, guys, are growing. It's more more like comfortable and I love it. Minsan I do music, podcast, but yeah, while doing that in the background, nakahiga lang ako dito. Like, I intentionally, expose my face, my body sa sun. And I love it, guys. I love it. It's so peaceful, refreshing. I love it. I don't guarantee you na lahat ng stress mo matatanggal, but it does magic. Kaya, don't hate the sun, guys, okay? Expose yourself. And besides, I don't know, the last time I checked the camera, the clock, it was 8:33 a.m. And I've been here for, I guess, 20 or 30, so probably past 9 a.m. now. I learned that yung after become a mother, yun sa doctor na they recommend the sun, the 9 to 10 sun, best daw for babies. Yeah, so yeah, I just love it. So don't be scared, okay? It's just like I forgot to bring my apple cider water, guys, and alam niyo na super na-relax na ako. Tinamad akong bumaba. Although bumaba ako to get pen, and again, nakalimutan ko na naman siyang kunin. Magtimpla ng hot drink natin sana. So, I give up the thought. Okay, next time. Mamaya. Iinom ako, pero mamaya, after here. Kasi, all this time kasi, I brought it. Gagawa mo na ako, din dadalhin ko dito. Wala ngayon. Kahit nga nagkahirap-hirap na ako minsan, yung may phone, may speaker pa ako minsan. Today wala akong speaker. And ito, this is my diary, and this is my journal. So yun, and the other hand, para sa nasa drink, sa hot drink. But today wala tayong hot drink. And to be very honest, na-tempt na naman ako na mag-order sa McDo ng pancake, guys. At saka yung caramel latte nila. Ay! Pero pinipigilan ko. Pinipigilan ko, guys. Kasi may goal tayo hanggang summer, di ba? Guys, tinan niyo yung ano. Hindi ko alam. Kasi alam niyo yung seeds kasi yung pinagtatanim ko dito. Hindi ko na alam kung anong pinaglalagay ko. Hindi ko na maalala kung ano to, guys. Ito tomato, 'di ba? And ito naman tingin ko for sure ito herbs to eh. Naglagay ako dito ng thyme, basil, and ano ba yung pinaglalagay ko dito? I think rosemary. I forgot. Basta binili namin sa home center tapos yun, inano ko. Kaya wala na akong maalala kung ano sila. But I'm happy to see them, you know, like that. Dito, ang cute-cute oh. Nakikita nyo yan, ang super liit. I'm happy. Ang ating rose, guys, wala pa siyang flower. But it's okay. She's thriving and she's beautiful naman. You know, she's beautiful naman. And itong olive tree natin, oh, ang daming wait. Namumulaklak sila. Ang dami na, oh. Ayan. Love it. Anyway, guys, although hindi ko ma-share yung buong aking journal, but I want to share my mantra today, okay? So, when I can feel tired and still choose to focus, one small action at a time. I don't need a spark, just a step. Okay. So, that is my mantra. And, okay, share ko na din yung prompt ko today. Okay, what kind of energy do I want to carry into this new day? Calm, soft, brave, or focused? So, yeah.
Kuma さんが袋を見つけました。おや
Bear, no? Kumano voice na rin ito?
おやそれが
Karagan mo.
何にしようかな。
Uyo.
おやおや これはクマさんが言った。おな
Una dyan.
おな
Uya.
おやおやない
Ni.
にかな
So.
何かな
So.
いつ
Kura ba? Ipay.
いっぱい
So, naga ko na naman talaga.
いっぱい